Welcome, everyone, to the April edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and needless to say, there's a lot going on in the world, right? So, got this big Iran conflict going on right now, and the effects that it's having into the not only the U.S. economy but the global economy also. So, we're seeing a lot of higher oil prices, i.e., gas prices. That's increasing the inflation. That's bringing up interest rates. That's bringing the stock market down. So, this is all going to be about duration. Is we have to get this behind us in order for the economy to get better. But it's just something that we've got to keep an eye on. This month, have a lot of great stuff. Whiteboard, the 4 unique risks in decumulation railroad retirement, right? How do you draw down that nest egg? Things you want to keep an eye out. Take a look at that. That's a really interesting video. I have another mailbag on railroad retirement and Social Security Fairness Act. Do you get a raise? I get a lot of confusion on the Social Security Fairness Act and hey, I paid into both. Don't I get both? And isn't that the Fairness Act? Go through that video, and that will help explain some of that misnomers out there. Economic chart, going back to the first topic, is stay the course amid geopolitical volatility. Take a look at that chart, and really, every time we have these big geopolitical events, and I mean every time, 3 years down the road, we are always positive, and it's pretty substantial to tell you the truth how positive we are. So, um, if past is prologue, so to speak, right? So take a look at that, and then the flow chart. What issues should I consider if I'm concerned about outliving my assets? Okay, once again, it kind of goes back into that deaccumulation risk on the first video. The ability, I have this nest egg, will it last all the time? And honestly, with those railroaders getting that nice railroad retirement, that really helps stretch out that nest egg a long time. So railroaders, I hope you enjoyed this video. Everybody have a happy Easter, and until next month, everybody please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.